Saxony Carpet Guide. This type of carpet is made from thick, high-quality fibers that create a soft, inviting surface to walk on. Plus, it comes in a variety of colors and styles to suit any decor. Saxony carpets are known for their softness, comfort, and durability. They are also stain-resistant and easy to clean. They are ideal for low-traffic areas. They are a great choice for any home, and they will add a touch of elegance and luxury to any space. Is Saxony carpet hard-wearing? Saxony carpet is not as hard-wearing as some other types of carpets, so it may not be the best choice for high-traffic areas or homes with pets. It is also more likely to show footprints and vacuum marks than other types of carpets. Is Saxony carpet made from wool? Although Saxony carpets are made from wool, there are also synthetic versions available that are made from polyester fibers. These synthetic Saxony carpets are less expensive than wool carpets and are easier to maintain, but they do not have the same luxurious feel. Does Saxony carpet flatten? While it is true that Saxony carpets are not as durable as some other types of carpet, they are still quite resistant to flattening. Saxony carpets are often made with heat-set technology, which helps to prevent them from flattening over time. Is Saxony carpet soft? Saxony carpets tend to be made from either wool or synthetic fibers, which are both fairly soft materials. They also have a dense pile, which can make them feel softer than other types of carpet. Is Saxony or twist carpet better? The most obvious difference is in the way they feel. Saxony carpet has a smooth, plush touch, whereas twist carpets typically have a rough finish, giving the carpet a more rustic appearance. How do you maintain a Saxony carpet? Here are some tips for caring for your Saxony carpet. Vacuum regularly. Saxony carpets should be vacuumed at least once a week to prevent dirt and dust from settling into the fibers. Spot clean spills immediately. Spills should be wiped up as soon as possible to prevent them from staining the carpet. Have your carpet professionally cleaned every 12 to 18 months. Saxony carpets should be deep cleaned by a professional every 12 to 18 months to remove all dirt and grime. Professional cleaning will also help to extend the life of your Saxony carpet. Saxony carpets are a great choice for any home, and they will add a touch of elegance and luxury to any space. If you're looking for a carpet that is soft, comfortable, and durable, then a Saxony carpet is the perfect option for you. Contact us today to schedule your carpet cleaning appointment. We would be happy to help you keep your Saxony carpets looking their best. To learn more, visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.